So, Sophia, you were talking about rain last time. That doesn't make me happy. I'm just gonna say it plainly. I'm not sugarcoating that.
Yeah, I know. Nobody likes to see the rain coming. I will say spring is approaching, so the rain could mean more flowers across campus. So although it's not going to be the greatest for walking across campus, it will be nice to see some of those flowers starting to bloom. And if it's anything like last week, all the rain was in the evening. So I'm hoping that that's the case for this week, but let's check out what else I have for you. So like I was saying earlier, we're going to be seeing temperatures in the 70s. If we're looking ahead towards Thursday, it'll start in the upper 60s in the morning, but then as we get through the rest of the day, it'll be going towards the 70s, and towards the evening, we'll see our higher temperatures up in the upper 70s. I do want to point out, though, this wind that we're going to be seeing throughout the day. That's kind of what we've been seeing this whole past week as well. So although we'll be seeing these higher 70 temperatures, that wind chill might make it feel a little colder. So maybe be prepared with a light jacket, but overall it'll still be pretty high temperatures. And if we look at Indiana as a whole, we're seeing 70s across the board, which is just great news in my opinion. If we look down here towards southern Indiana in the Bloomington area, upper 70s, close to 80s, which is just amazing news to hear. But if we look ahead at that 7-day forecast, like I mentioned, we're seeing the rain coming in, and we're seeing it pretty much from Wednesday through Sunday. We're getting those showers, but still those warmer temperatures. Like I said, hoping for those rain showers to come in the evening so that we don't really have to deal with it on our walks to campus, but you know, can't do much about it if it does start raining.
Yeah, I mean that's one thing I am pretty thankful. At least my apartment, I get to take a shuttle there. It's not like I'm out in the rain most of the time, and also do have the benefit of having most of my classes around the same area. So
yeah, we'll definitely be remembering my umbrella this week. All right, thanks, Sophia.